Are you looking for a sign to start a career in data? This is it. Right now, the data world is exploding. Experts say this industry will grow by nearly 30% every single year until 2030. By then, it will be worth $300 billion. What does this mean for you? It means the demand for people who understand data is at an all-time high. There has never been a better time to jump in. Welcome to the new era. As you can see, data is moving faster than ever before. If the statistic I just shared sounds a bit scary, don't worry, you are not alone. The world of data has changed completely, and the old ways of doing things just don't work. We are now in the age of smart data systems. These are tools that can think and work on their own. If you don't know the secrets I'm about to share, you will waste 40 hours a week on work that should only take 40 seconds. In 2026, knowing how to use data is no longer just a bonus, it is a survival skill. In this video, I'm giving you a clear plan for success. These are not just basic tips, these are the actual strategies that top experts use to turn simple numbers into a winning business. I've analyzed the best performers to see what they do. We will cover AI-driven insights, better ways to show your data, and how to stay ahead of the market. If you are ready to master data analytics this year, you are in the right place. Let's get started. So, what is stopping you from mastering data right now? The first big challenge is data noise. In 2026, we are drowning in information. Sensors, social media, and AI agents are giving us thousands of numbers every second. Most people make the mistake of trying to track everything. But when you track everything, you see nothing. It's like trying to listen to a whisper in a crowded stadium. If you can separate the signal from the noise, you will make decisions based on distractions, not facts. The second challenge is what I call the black box trap. Today, we have amazing AI tools that give us answers instantly, but many analysts are becoming lazy. They see a chart created by an AI and they trust it 100% without asking why. If you don't understand the logic behind the numbers, you are just a passenger, not the driver. When the AI makes a mistake, and you won't know how to fix it. Relying too much on auto analytics without human logic is a dangerous shortcut that leads to expensive business failures. Finally, there is the connection gap. In many companies, data lives in silos. The production team has their data, the finance team has theirs, and they never talk to each other. In the fast world of 2026, data that stays in one corner of the office is useless. If your insights don't connect to the bigger picture, like how a technical delay in production affects the monthly profit, you aren't really doing analytics. You are just reading a spreadsheet. This lack of big picture thinking is why most data projects fail before they even start. The first secret to mastery in 2026 is moving from being a user to being a director. In the past, we had to ask AI specific questions like, what's our revenue last month? That's all it's cool. Today, experts use agentic analytics. This means you give your AI agent a goal, not a task. For example, instead of asking for a report, you tell the AI, monitor our supply chain, and alert me the moment a delay will affect our profit by more than 5%. You are directing a digital team that works 24/7. Mastery today isn't about knowing how to code, it's about knowing how to give clear strategic goals to your AI agents. The second secret is contextual storytelling. Anyone can make a bar chart in 2026. Even a child can do it with a voice command. But the expert secret is explaining the so what. Imagine you see a 10% drop in customer visits. A basic analyst just reports the drop. A master analyst looks at the context. Maybe there was a local holiday or a competitor launched a new app. They use advanced visualization to overlay different data types, like weather patterns over sales numbers, to show the hidden story. The value isn't in the data itself, it's in the connection you make between the numbers and the real world. The final secret is something most people find boring, but it's actually your biggest weapon: ethical governance. With so much AI generated data, people are becoming suspicious. They want to know, is this data real? And is my privacy safe? Mastery in 2026 means being the person who ensures the data is clean, unbiased, and legal. When you can prove your data is ethical, you build radical trust with your audience of or your boss. In a world of fake data and AI hallucinations, being the source of truth is the most valuable position you can hold. It's not just about being smart, it's about being reliable. Imagine it is a Tuesday morning in a busy industrial plant. Suddenly, a major machine starts to vibrate. In the old days of 2024, engineers would spend hours looking at manual reports, trying to find the problem. By the time they found it, the machine would have failed, causing millions of dollars in losses and dangerous safety risks. But this is 2026, and our master analyst is in control. While everyone else is panicking, the master analyst is calm. Why? Because their agentic AI didn't just see the vibration, it predicted it 2 hours ago. Using secret number two, contextual storytelling, the analyst doesn't just send a boring email with a graph. Instead, they walk into the director office with a real-time 3D map. They saw exactly how this one vibration in one pump is connected to the entire week's production goal. They explain the so what. If we don't reduce the pressure by 5% right now, we will lose $10 million by tomorrow morning because they applied secret number three, ethical governance. The director trusts the data 100%. There is no second guessing. There is no let me check the numbers again. There is only action. In less than 5 minutes, the pressure is adjusted. The machine is safe. The production continues. That is the climax of data mastery. It isn't just about knowing things. It is about having the power to change the future in real time. This is the difference between an analyst who just read reports and a leader who drives the company forward. Which one do you want to be? We've covered a lot today, but the message is clear. Mastering data in 2026 is about more than just numbers. It is about a completely new way of thinking. The tools have changed, and your strategy must change with them. To stay ahead, remember all three expert secrets. First, Move from asking to directing by using agentic AI. Give your tools a goal, not just a task. Second, master context to storytelling. Always find the so what behind every chart. Third, build radical trust through ethical governance. In a world of AI noise, be the source of truth. These three secrets are what separate a basic analyst from a true leader. In this fast-moving world, you don't want to just report what happened in the past. You want to predict and change the future. Now you have the blueprint to do exactly that. Now I want to hear from you. What is the biggest data challenge you are facing right now? Leave a comment below and let's discuss it. If you want to master the future of tech, make sure to subscribe for more cutting edge content. I'll see you in the next one.